My name's Sam Corser. I'm part of the production team at Stainless Games, and I'm working on a game called ShockRods at the moment, which hopefully you can see behind me. Stainless Games is an independent developer. They've been making games since the early 90s, 25 years I believe they've been going now, which is an insane amount of time for an indie developer, and they're proud of that. It's difficult to exist in the space. So Stainless are well known for creating the Carmageddon series, so car combat is their bread and butter, and our new game ShockRods plays to that strength. And it's essentially an arena shooter. It's kind of a mix of Rocket League and Quake, Unreal Tournament, that kind of thing. So the origin story for ShockRods was between projects. There was a little like an internal game jam where people come up with different ideas for games that they'd like to make. And funnily enough, a lot of the time during downtime and lunch breaks and such, a lot of the people in the studio would end up playing games like Unreal Tournament, things like Quake Arena, Twitch shooters, fast-paced things like that. So when on one hand you have a quite generalized love for these kind of games, you also have a 25-year industry veteran that built their careers on car combat. And when you kind of look at them both together, it makes sense to put them together. ShockRods is currently available on Apple Arcade and Steam, so it's played on a variety of hardware from 2012 iPhones all the way up to a supercomputer. So requirements for game development are really broad. You're doing all kinds of jobs between file hosting. You've got servers with massive amounts of data being written to and from and accessed simultaneously by anywhere between 10 to hundreds of PCs at a time. We have code departments, art departments, all of which have very different workloads, ranging from video production to massive compiling, all the way down to 3D rendering. So our hardware needs are very specific, which makes an off-the-shelf PC builder not always the best option for us, maybe for one specific machine, but generally our options are better off with boutique and custom system builders like Novatech. Not only do the personalities between us align quite well, they're a good bunch of guys, and the sense of humor matches, so it's a healthy relationship anyway, which is you're lucky to find sometimes, but they're able to meet our needs when it comes to, hey, we need a really weird PC with 16 cores and a massive graphics card, and then the next day it's something completely different, and we needed it yesterday. So Novatech are exactly what we're looking for in a business partner when it comes to PC hardware. So the future for Stainless Games is broad. We're proud to have our own IPs, previously with Carmageddon and now with ShockRods. We plan to promote and maintain ShockRods for a long time, making new content, maps and cars and all kinds of things. But at the same time, we like to work on other projects. We've done Magic the Gathering, which is obviously Wizards of the Coast, and various things. So there's always something on the horizon, a new project that we're signing and working on internally. It's kind of healthy to have a mixture of things in your bag, you're fingering a lot of pies. So our future is looking good. Yeah, we're strong. To still be going after 25 years is really quite an achievement. It's impressive stuff. And we're not done yet. There's still some life in the old dog yet.